The birds are out here today singing and serenading me. Can you hear that? And they're just flying around, just hanging out. Look up, y'all. I always say that to you. And listen. Nature. Quite a few birds flying around in my backyard. I wonder what they're saying. I mean, they're having a whole conversation. And this has been going on for about 20 minutes. I'm happy that they're happy. I'm happy that I can hear and see them. Listen to that. There's something going on, something good. Something good for me, something good for you. Let's just go ahead and claim that. I mean, they've been singing so long. I was inside working out and I said, let me go out here and film this serenade of birds flying all over the place and just as happy as can be. I want to be part of that energy. Yeah. And I'm sharing with you so you can be a part of it too. Just listen. There's a leaf is falling down. Oh my goodness, a whole flock of birds. They're just going back and forth. Good gracious. I've never heard this many birds at one time for this length of period. A length of time, I should say. We got some sitting up here in the tree. Goodness. Probably hear my dog in the background licking his paws. But I just wanted to share this with you because I thought this is phenomenal, and I got squirrels to my right. I hear leaves falling and nuts as well as they climb the trees. But anyway, enjoy your day.